Welcome to Miss English. This video is about IELTS vocabulary. Watch this video and improve your English vocabulary for IELTS, pronunciation and listening skills. Let's start.
Yield. Yield. To produce or provide a result, product, or outcome. Example: the farm yielded a bountiful harvest this year. Adversary. Adversary. An opponent or enemy. Example: the two teams faced each other as adversaries on the field. Zeal. Zeal. Enthusiastic and eager pursuit of something. Example: she tackled her new project with great zeal. Whirl. Whirl. To move or spin rapidly in a circular motion. Example: the leaves were caught up in a whirl of wind. Precise. Precise. Marked by exactness and accuracy of expression or detail. Example: the instructions must be followed with precise attention to detail. Commodity. Commodity. Goods or products that are bought and sold. Example: the fluctuation of commodity prices is a major concern for the economy, as it affects the cost of production for businesses and the purchasing power of consumers. Hinder. Hinder. Prevent or block progress. Example: the heavy traffic on the highway hindered our progress and we arrived an hour late for the meeting. Cessation. Cessation. Last part of something. Example: the cessation of hostilities marked a historic moment in the long-standing conflict, as both sides agreed to lay down their arms and seek a peaceful resolution to their differences. Timid. Timid. Showing a lack of courage or confidence, easily frightened, shy or hesitant. Example: she was too timid to speak up in class. Versatile. Versatile. Able to adapt or be adapted to many different functions or activities. Example: she's a versatile actress who can play various roles. Effect. Effect. To produce a change or influence something. Example: the economic downturn affected businesses across the country. Vigilant. Vigilant. Watchful, alert to potential danger or trouble. Example: the security guard was vigilant throughout the night. Snug. Snug. Comfortably warm and cozy, fitting closely and comfortably, a small, comfortable or cozy place or position. Example: they spent a snug evening by the fireplace. Witty. Witty. Clever and amusing in manner or expression. Example: his witty remarks always made everyone laugh. Eminent. Eminent. Someone or something that is quite popular among people. Example: the eminent scientist was awarded the Nobel Prize for his groundbreaking research in the field of medicine, which has transformed the way we understand and treat many diseases. Aesthetic. Aesthetic. concerned with beauty or the appreciation of beauty. Example: the new museum's architecture was praised for its aesthetic appeal, with a harmonious blend of modern and traditional elements that complemented the surrounding environment. Whim. Whim. A sudden desire or impulse. Example: on a whim, they decided to go to the beach. Hasty. Hasty. Fast. Example: the hasty decision to launch the new product without proper testing led to a series of technical difficulties and customer complaints, causing significant damage to the company's reputation. Worthy. Worthy. Deserving of respect, attention, or consideration. Example: his actions proved him to be a worthy leader. Unwind. Unwind. To relax, to become less tense or stressed. Example: after work, he liked to unwind with music. Raise. Raise. To break something. Example: the old factory was raised to make way for a new shopping mall, as the city's downtown area underwent a major renovation and revitalization. Exquisite. Exquisite. Pretty or attractive. Example: the jewelry collection was exquisite, with gold, silver and gemstones forming intricate patterns and designs that took the breath away. Persistence. Persistence. Determination to continue despite difficulties. Example: the persistence of the small business owner in the face of adversity was inspiring, as she kept working hard and overcoming challenges to make her dream a reality. Habitual. Habitual. Done or occurring regularly or repeatedly, customary, usual. Example: her habitual morning routine includes jogging in the park. Incite. Incite. To encourage or stir up violent, unlawful, or aggressive behavior. Example: the protesters tried to incite the crowd to violence. Jubilant. Jubilant. Feeling or expressing great happiness, triumph, or joy. Example: the team was jubilant after winning the championship game. Necessity. Necessity. The state or fact of being required or indispensable. Example: clean water is a necessity for all living beings.
Thank you for watching Miss English.